In this presentation, I'm going to go over the fish critique assignment for ATR 720. This assignment is almost the same as our our cheese critique assignment that you did earlier in the class. You'll read the book, the fish philosophy book. You want to know what that book is about, and then after reading the book, you'll locate and read 2 peer-reviewed journal articles that have similar principles, topics, ideals as the fish book. What's going to be different is how you will do the assignment. In the cheese assignment, you wrote the paper. In the fish assignment, you're going to do a presentation where you'll summarize the main points and address the applications of the fish philosophy to you as an athletic trainer. So let me talk about the KUCHA. I think I'm saying that wrong. Presentation. So I'm just going to say PK because I have a hard time saying those words. PK means chit chat in Japanese, and it's really a fast-paced presentation technique. It's based on that you'll use hardly any text, mostly all images. I didn't do a PK presentation because I didn't have 6 minutes and 40 seconds to say about this assignment, but I have provided you an example of a PK presentation in the assignment where this presentation is located, so you can see an example. I've also provided you a link to the KUCHA web page where they have all sorts of examples of using KUCHA presentations. The typical PK presentation is 20 slides, and you have 20 seconds per slide for a total time of 6 minutes and 40 seconds for your presentation. For your assignment, you have a total of 6 minutes and 40 seconds, no more, no less, and you have 20 slides. What I'm allowing you to do is manipulate the total time per each slide. Again, you have 20 slides, no more, no less than that. You can manipulate the time for each slide. You can just use the 20 by 20 if you wish to do that too. I have provided you a template to use the KUCHA. You can just use that template and not manipulate the time. I do want you to record that presentation. Now, some of you who have Macs and use a Keynote with Mac, make sure that you, after you record it, make sure that you export that to a movie file through QuickTime, and then upload that to YouTube, and then use the link inside the forum where you're going to turn this in. Again, so just like you did in your paper for cheese in the KUCHA presentation, you will provide the summary of the fish book, the main theme, which is about a page in written text. So I don't know how many slides I'll turn into, but the majority of this presentation should be on how you can apply the material from the fish book and the articles that you're writing, readings, or not articles you're writing, articles that you're reading. How can you apply that as an athletic trainer? This book is about having a certain philosophy on the way we work, and I think there's a lot of great applications for us as athletic trainers. So you'll do this presentation using this KUCHA presentation style. Again, just like in a cheese philosophy, who moved my cheese critique, use first person with the application and third person when you're summarizing the fish book. No changes there. And again, we'll have a forum where each one of you will post your presentation in the forum, and then you'll listen to a certain number of presentations from your fellow students and have a discussion around the material that I've provided you. I've asked you some questions inside the forum there that you'll answer. Again, I have a rubric for this assignment. I have a rubric for the threaded discussion. I look forward to watching your presentations. For some of you, this is a brand new presentation style. For some of you, maybe you've done this before. If you have questions, please ask. That's what I'm here to do, is help you.